こんにちは、近藤まりえです。
Hello, I'm Marie Kondo, and my earnest hope is for as many people in the world to completely finish tidying and start living a life that sparks joy for them every day. So when tidying the KonMari way, you work by categories. There are 5 categories in total. The first one is clothes, second is books, third is paper documents, and fourth is komono, which in Japanese means miscellaneous item, and the final category is sentimental items. So the very first category that we tidy is clothes, but what you need to do before you begin is to take out every single item of clothing you own from all around the home and gather them in one spot. So once you have this nice big pile of clothes, go through each and every single piece of clothing you own and see which one truly sparks joy for you.
Does it spark joy?
So let's try. Let me demonstrate.
ときめく。
Sparks joy?
ときめかない。
Does not spark joy. And before you let go of an item that doesn't spark joy for you, it's very important that you express gratitude. Thank you so much for serving me.
ときめく。
Sparks joy?
ときめく。
Sparks joy.
ときめかない。
Does not.
Thank you. ときめく。ときめかない。ときめく。ありがとうございました。
Once you selected all the clothes that spark joy for you, then we begin folding. The key when folding the clothes that spark joy for you is to express and send a lot of love and gratitude towards it. Use the palm of your hands and send love into your clothes, thanking it for protecting you every day. So you're creating a long rectangle in the center of the garment. Fold in half. Then fold in thirds. And once you're done folding, store them vertically, standing them upright. Let's put them in the box. No matter the shape of the garment, what you're aiming for is to create this very smooth, small rectangle that stands upright. There we have it, all done. When you file your clothes standing them upright vertically like this, you can quickly tell at a glance how many of each colors that you own, and it's also very aesthetically pleasing. The reason why these boxes only have the design on the inside, they serve as a reminder to always cherish the things that you value most. And every time you store your clothes or take them out, that little glimpse of the design should add a little bit of spark of joy into your everyday life.
Thank you for having me.